All right, hey everybody, let's go to this. I'm going to start the presentation. File, how do you start it again? How do you start a presentation? Oh, top. What is it? View full screen or present? Let's do that. All right, it sees you. It's loading. Oops. All right, can you see my screen still? Okay, so do you see the this opening start? You see chapter. Okay, so if we, and then that would be you, right? You. Okay, let's say we did that. Yep, that's fine. I have no problem with that. So I stop sharing, and I